Hello and welcome to a new episode of Elephant English Podcasts. Today we are doing a speaking practice about pets. So I'm going to ask myself some questions about pets and I will answer them. The first question is, do you have a pet? Yes. At the moment, I have one pet. I have a cat, and her name is Juanita. She is 15 years old, but she is like a kitten. She likes to play, and every day she plays about 30 minutes at night with me. My cat is black and she has got green eyes. She likes to sleep and play, but at night she doesn't sleep. She likes to sleep during the day, and at night she meows a lot. What do you like about your pet? I love my cat because she is very funny and sometimes she is a little bit crazy. She runs around the house, she meows a lot, but then in other moments she is very sleepy, she sleeps a lot of hours and she loves to sleep next to me, and that is what I love. Do you like any other pets? Yes, I love almost all pets. When I was a child, I had more than 50 pets. We had maybe about 20 fish, we had 3 dogs, 3 cats, 3 terrapins, 1 tortoise, and a lot of rabbits. My favorite pet was my dog. My dog was called Linda. She was black and white, and she was very loving. She loved meeting new people, and she loved playing with children. My dog was 9 years old when she died, and I was very, very sad when that happened. Another pet that I loved was my iguana. My iguana was called Isabella, and she was green. It is a very strange pet to have, but I loved her. Which pets don't you like? Some pets that I don't like are rats and mice. But I love all other pets. The reason why I don't like mice and rats is because they have very, very long tails. And I think it's a little bit disgusting. I know that a lot of people have mice and rats, and they say that they are very intelligent. So maybe I don't like rats because I never had a rat. So today we have talked about pets. I hope that this was useful for you. They were easy questions that might be in your speaking exam. So, if you enjoyed it, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Remember to leave a comment talking about your pet. Have you got any pets? And what are their names? I would love to know about them. I have made some activities based on this video that you can find in the description box. There is also the transcript of this video that you can find on my website. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.